In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Perplexity AI Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete your upgrade smoothly. First, open your Perplexity account in your browser and make sure you're signed in. This gets you to your personal dashboard where all your settings live. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the upgrade option. Go ahead and click Upgrade. This takes you to the page dedicated to moving your account to Pro. On this page, you'll see the Perplexity AI Pro plan, along with the price clearly displayed. As shown, the price here is $17. Keep in mind that pricing can vary by region or promotions, but what you see there is what you'll be charged for the plan you select. Next, click the Get Pro button. This starts the checkout flow. You'll now be asked to choose your billing cycle. Select whether you want monthly or yearly. Monthly is great if you want flexibility, while yearly typically offers better overall value if you know you'll be using Pro for the long term. Take a moment to double-check the plan you select so there are no surprises on your next bill. After choosing the plan, select your payment method. Once that's set, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Carefully type in your card information, along with your full name, country, and billing address. Make sure everything matches what your bank or card issuer has on file, as mismatched details can cause a payment to fail. It's also a good idea to complete this step on a secure, private connection for your peace of mind. Before you continue, glance over the summary one more time. Confirm the billing cycle, confirm the amount, and ensure your details are correct. When you're satisfied everything looks right, click. Subscribe to finalize your upgrade. That's it. Your account should now be upgraded to Perplexity AI Pro. If the page takes a moment, don't worry. Payment processing can take a few seconds. Once it completes, you should see Pro features available in your account. If you run into any hiccups during checkout, double-check your card number, expiration date, and billing address formatting, then try again. You've successfully completed the upgrade, and you're ready to enjoy the advantages of Perplexity AI Pro. Thanks for watching. And feel free to follow along again if you need a quick refresher the next time you upgrade or update your billing preferences.